Looking for the best dog kennels? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dog kennels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Petmate 2-door TopLoad Kennel. Sports a streamlined design and tough handle. Lightweight yet sturdy plastic construction. Front and top openings provide easy access. If you are looking for a highly portable dog kennel with user-friendly features, this is a good choice. Good for travel, but not practical if your dog needs a kennel for playtime or for extended time in it. At number 2. Midwest Homes for Pets, iCrate Folding Metal Dog Crate. A popular model at a good price. It's collapsible, available in various sizes, and comes with a bottom tray and divider. Backed by a 1-year warranty. Stands out among its competitors for features, convenience, and affordability. The larger sizes are heavy and somewhat awkward to fold, but this is a minor concern considering the value. At number 1. Housables, Large Dog Kennel. Metal construction with a protective cover. Great used as a playpen to provide some outdoor time for dogs and puppies. Assembly isn't overly difficult. Can be used indoors or outdoors. A roomy, versatile kennel that's suitable for puppies and adult dogs, and is fairly simple to set up. While reasonably durable, it's not strong enough to leave large, rambunctious dogs unattended for long periods of time. Pricey. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.